How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. First thing first, you cannot deactivate your Instagram account from your Instagram app. For this, you have to go to your any mobile browser. Here, I'm going to use Chrome and then go to Instagram.com. Now log in by filling your details. And once you've logged in, just go ahead and click on the profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. And then click on Edit Profile. Scroll down and there you can see this option called Temporarily Deactivate My Account. Just go ahead and click on that. And now you have to mention why you are deactivating your account. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose something else. Then you have to re-enter your password to continue. Just enter your password and then click on that temporarily deactivate account. And once you do that, your account will be deactivated. And all you have to do for reactivating is just log in as usual. And that's it. This is how you deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.